Hello everyone. On this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a bibliography using EasyBib and a website or books that you're using for your research project. So the first thing you need to do is go to your website that you used. I used a website called the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum. This is a great resource if you're researching information about the Holocaust. It has tons of information, also current information. So my topic was Kristallnacht, which I'm sure I'm not pronouncing right, but that was my topic. This was the article I used for my keynote presentation. But once you're here, once you have the website, you go all the way at the top to the URL. Make sure you select it all and then hit copy. Once you have the URL, you need to open up a new tab. I already have one ready, but open up a new tab, go to EasyBib, and from here, EasyBib gives you um, different things. So here you have a website, here you have your book. If you're looking to cite a book, that's where you would go, but I have a website, so you keep it here. Automatically by default it goes to website. So you would tap there, paste the link, and then hit cite this. EasyBib is really good because it tells you whether the website you're using is credible or not. It tells you down here. So this is a good website to use. The only thing that they didn't find was the date that it was published or the authors. But if you go back to the article, that information isn't on here, so it's okay if you don't include it. So from here, just go to continue, and they double check everything one more time. Like I said, there's no authors, no date that was published. So just create citation. And you're done. You have your citation ready. The only thing you need to do now is copy and paste it on your keynote presentation. So to do that, you need to tap this little box. But before we do that, there's different ways of getting it off of here. You could either go through export, but I would suggest just copying and pasting it. Since we are working on iPads, it's a little easier if we just do it that way. So when you first try to copy it, it's going to do the whole box. You don't want it to be that way. So you need to just highlight the area that you want to take. So right there, that looks good. Has the quotation marks. Okay, so copy it. Once you have it, you need to go back to your presentation. So let's say this was my presentation. And all the way at the bottom, you need to have a works cited page. So you create one. I'm going to use just this piece right here for the bibliography. At the top, type in bibliography, and then down here is where you paste the link that you copied. So there you go. That's your bibliography page. This tells us where you got the information. One thing about this is it's not formatted correctly, but since this is, like I said, we're doing everything on an iPad, it's harder to do, so this works out fine. If you have any questions, just let me or Mrs. Malinan know, and we'll be glad to help. All right, bye.